Hey precious family, it's your girl Gloria. Welcome to our Brazil kitchen once again. Today we're cooking palm nut soup. Delicious one. We're going through our ingredients: fresh salmon, okro, onions, ginger, fresh tomatoes, prekese, and baked or smoked salmon. Hey, aponchi. So ya ponchi nkwane ni yemade nrebo kakra ene towel no so kakra. So I'll go to meat share the waha enwa. Any wele. We have our snail and cow skin. Eba ha modern so yewo spring onion leaves, ginger, rosemary, peppers, and half onion. Anise seeds, nkiti, and a coriander seed. Yeah. And in Kontomire. Hey, I've been in Kontomire. Bafig Bay. And we have our salt and the main abrante is here. Palmnut. We use soup praise. I added some of the coriander to the spices here. So I'm going to blend this. Okay. Season my meat with my goats with some salt, then the half onion I cut it. I'm adding some of the spices on the fish, then the rest goes inside here. Gonna rinse the blender and add it. Inhano I started. Inhano if you say. A punching it, Jenny. Inhano if you say, well, I will Okay, now I'm adding in the snail. But the one then it will be knock on. Okay, I add the snail and the cow skin so that they will all be flavored. Also, one tasty flavor in the eye by a person. Okay, now I'm adding hot water to this palmnut sauce. Well mixed. You see? Yeah, I'm mixing it fair. So I'm going to leave it so the small particles of the nuts will settle under. Then we add it to the soup. Okay, now I'm going to take the snail out. The snail's out. Going to add the palmnut. Okay, so you see the black. See, you leave that one. Add in more water. My prekese is on the stove, you see. BB collections. And we had the foam say about your kama. And so hairstylist for weddings, naming ceremony. Dr. Strands GH. Obey your say fe. Alfredo, about the Pama wedding dress, Nina, or Bombarding Womupa. Or not so yet, wear TK. That's my prekese. I'm going to rinse it and then add it to the soup. See. Tomatoes go in there. What else? The prekese and my onion. Okay. Boom. Okay, getting my tomatoes out. See, your tomatoes in here is sunny. Time for my onions. Look. Okay, so I'm going to add, blend the onion with the other ginger. Yes. Okay. Our fresh fish going. Our smoked fish going. And then the snail going. Everything going. Yes. Okay, now I blended onion and the fresh ginger. I added. Now the soup is soup. So it's love with the okro and the spinach. And mama chena. I so cool them. The okra goes in. I didn't cut the head of the okra. Peppers. Yay! The soup is soup now. No, I'm fine. Yeah. Wele pa. Chala, media. Prekese no so born away wa hasene. Prekese no so born ejuma. Oh. She Cherry. Why are you? Yem kwan na ben. Okay, I feel me better say mekwan na ben. Bibia I've been fefe. So now our soup is ready. It's love with the spinach. So when I miss him in quine anymore, no, you should make a crabby or so. You can make a crabby because in quine and chino. Not Miami Garina. Okay. Now I add my curry. Sprinkle a little bit of water to soften it. This one is very simple. Now you give it oil a little bit. So, in a dano na make an idea, and in your ready. Then you're the ADCC. So, now I say, I've been quiet in Nigari. So, when it Really, woman, Cassa. Now the onions, yes. Oh, Mama, why are you doing that? Hey, you, tastes good. Mix with the onions. I'm using this one. I left some of the spinach. I'm going to use this. Adding my spinach now. Okay. Soup is ready. Now, hineko. Hey, and mommy, maybe. Yes. Hey, and me. One year fufui. Oh no. That's our soup and some fufui. Yes, and the palm oil from the soup. Yes, I use it to make gari fatso. Hey, grandma used to give us this. And the food is not ready and the soup is ready and you're hungry. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. Love you all. Bye. Which one do you want? Fufu or gari and avocado? Tenoni genius sumo. Mohinepe. Hey, mekwang pani. She Wele. Inwa ononsu no shehon. Nkruma kakra. Yay! She apanche no suni. And a smoked salmon. And a fresh salmon. Yay! Let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat. Made me pe fufu. Ene. Mekwang. She. Naman. Look. Wow, no senor. Okay. Fufu, so soft. Hey, Wele, stand here. Kwani ya dankasa. Don't fast salmon ya ben kwanda fa try. Yep. Cook. What's this?